Twice last year, the Jaguars beat the Steelers, and they did it in Pittsburgh. Today, the two teams get together on the banks of the St. Johns here at TIAA Bank Field. Steelers and Jaguars. Let's go. Yeah.
I need y'all today. All 60. It don't matter what happens. All 60.
Hey. Come on, big day today, all right? Have some fun. We gotta have fun today.
And we can't go back and change the beginning. You can't change the beginning, but we can start right now and write the ending. Let's start right now and write the ending. All we need is one.
Hey, we back at the bank, man. It all starts with one victory, man, and it starts today. That's what we need to do, man. Just hold on for it. That's all you gotta do.
Fournette stands to the right of Blake, gets an inside handoff. That's going to be a first down, and more spun for more yardage. Nice running by Leonard Fournette all the way out to the 21-yard line, an 11-yard gain and a first down. This time they hand it off to Yeldon, lots of room, first down. He got upended as he got it out past the 35, but he got it to the 36-yard line. It's a 6-yard gain and a first down for TJ Yeldon. 48-yarder from the right hash. Logan Cook puts it down. Josh kicks it up, and the field goal attempt is good. He is 20 out of 20 as a Jaguar in this building, and the Jags strike first. Here's the give to Leonard Fournette. Leonard busts out of there into Steeler territory. 45 inside the 40-yard line. That is a terrific run by Leonard Fournette all the way to the 38-yard line of the Pittsburgh Steelers.
Run it again.
They do to Carlos Hyde. Carlos has some room inside the 30-yard line. That is good running all the way down to the 27-yard line. 11 more yards for Carlos Hyde. The 38-yarder from the right hash. Cook puts it down. Lambeau kicks it up. And the 38-yard field goal, well, of course, is good.
It's always good with Lambeau.
Jags 6, Steelers nothing.
Hey, that's all we need. Control the run. Sound defense. Hey, you guys are out hitting them. Keep going, baby. Good job.
Let's go now.
Dropping the throw is Roethlisberger. Pump fake. Throws to the middle of the field. Picked off by Jalen Ramsey. What a play that was. He cut in front of Antonio Brown, made a diving interception, and the Jags take over.
Bottom line, that is a great play by Jalen Ramsey. And Jalen Ramsey, after a tough week, he has decided that he is going to show why he is the best corner in football.
All-pro play. Go get you another one.
The give to Leonard Fournette right up the middle. He's going to have 10 more yards. Maybe 11. First down, Jacksonville to the 36-yard line of Pittsburgh. Yeldon, the running back. Blake dropped. It's a blitz. Blake fires middle of the field, in and out of the hands of one receiver, and caught by the second one. It went in and out of the hands of O'Shaughnessy and caught on the carom by D.D. Westbrook for the first down at the 21-yard line. A 43-yard attempt. Cook puts it down. Lambeau's kick is good. From the 37-yard line, Roethlisberger drops the throw. Pump fake. Now he scrambles up to the middle of the field, fires to the middle too high, and picked off by Barry Church. He overthrew Antonio Brown, and Church was waiting on it and ran it back to the 45-yard line of Pittsburgh.
You know what I'm saying?
And that will end the half. What a half for that Jacksonville defense. Jaguars 9, Steelers nothing. Can the defense stand strong again? Roethlisberger drops the throw. Fires toward the end zone. That ball is picked off by Jalen Ramsey. Jalen Ramsey intercepted it.
That was one of the most incredible interceptions I've ever seen.
Go get you another one.
I see it in your eyes, bro. I see it in your eyes, bro.
Big time players Make big-time plays in big-time games, bro.
Dropping to throw is Blake. He throws it to Leonard Fournette into the open field. 35, 40. Leonard Fournette to the 45-yard line. What a great check down by Blake Bortles. Wanted to go down the field. Instead, he checked it to Leonard Fournette. And all the way out to the 46-yard line. It's a 26-yard gain. Blake drops the throw. Can't take a sack here. Scrambles and he's got some room to run. He's going to have a first down. Blake Bortles spun away from trouble. Looked like he might get sacked and got it inside the 25-yard line of the Steelers for a first down. Dropping to throw is Bortles. Throws it to Fournette out of the backfield to the 15, to the 10, to the 5. A check down to Leonard Fournette, and Leonard has it to the 4-yard line of the Pittsburgh Steelers. The give to Fournette, dives toward the goal line. He's awfully close. No signal yet.
Oh, that's a touchdown.
Boy, oh boy, you would think.
It ain't over yet. It ain't over. Let's keep on talking this thing. Let's go. Let's go.
Yeah.
Roethlisberger drops. Pump fake. Lots of time. Looks right now. Now fires deep down the middle of the field. Antonio Brown is wide open. He got open. A flag comes in. Brown is going to score a touchdown. He got wide open in the middle of the field. There was a missed coverage. 3rd down and 7. They send for Roethlisberger pump fake. Now he scrambles around in there. He gets hit. He's going to get sacked. The Jags are going to get him back at the 10-yard line. Calais Campbell got there. And the Steelers are going to have to punt it away after another 3 and out. Pump fake. He's going to get hit. He's going to get sacked. Yannick Ngakoue got him inside the 45-yard line. Great work by that Jaguars front. Jacksonville rears its head. Dropping is Roethlisberger. Pump fake. Still looking. Lots of time. Fires it to the back of the end zone. And that ball is caught for the touchdown by Vance McDonald, the tight end. So here comes your in-game drama. Very good offense versus very good defense. The defense has won the battle most of the day, but it's not over yet. Dropping the throw on 2nd and 4 is Roethlisberger. Pump fake. Fires along the left sideline. That ball is caught by Juju Smith-Schuster. Can you get a stop one more time? 3rd and 10. They blitz this time. Middle of the field. Caught by Antonio Brown. He's tackled inside the 5-yard line. Dropping is Roethlisberger. Pump fake. Too much time. Fires in the end zone. Picked off! It is picked off! It is picked off in the back of the end zone! The Jaguars pick it off! Are you kidding me? DJ Hayden's got it! Now there's a conference. There's a flag in the back of the end zone.
Prior to the pass, personal foul, grabbing the face mask, number 25 of the defense. That'll be half the distance to the goal. Automatic first down.
They roll right. Ben looks like he's going to run it in. Did he get there? They say he did. They say Ben Roethlisberger dove it into the end zone. And the Steelers have staged a dramatic come-from-behind win. They were down 10 in the 4th quarter, and they beat the Jacksonville Jaguars 20-16 here at TIAA Bank Field.
I mean, I expect the team to go out there every week and play physical and do that. When we don't do that, that's disappointing. And at the end of the game, we're not being able to finish out a game. You know what I'm saying? And where you're running the football well early on, and then all of a sudden you get stopped. Like you said, it's nothing scientific to it. It wasn't like it was a different deal. And then just those plays that you were getting those yards in the beginning, you're not getting. That's disappointing.